Hi there! In this course you'll learn Python from scratch in a way that's simple, practical and focused on what actually matters. Rather than memorizing syntax or getting lost in endless theory, you'll build a solid understanding of programming fundamentals, concepts like variables, logic, loops and functions, which are the skills that will not only let you code confidently in Python but also give you the foundation to understand any programming language in the future. By the end of this course, you'll be able to think like a programmer, break down problems step by step, and start creating your own projects. To make every concept crystal clear, I'll also use graphs and visuals so you can easily understand even the trickiest ideas. Whether you want to pursue software development, data science, web programming, or game development, Python is the perfect place to start, and this course will give you the confidence to keep going. I'm Marco Paoletta. I've taught over 15 courses at Zemba, a platform with more than 1 million learners. I've worked with Voodoo, one of the top mobile game companies, and I run a YouTube channel with more than 12,000 subscribers where I teach programming and game development. So if you're ready to finally learn coding in a clear, frustration-free way, let's get started right away.